Might be getting a little bit of needed rain.
Yeah, some needed rain, much needed. We saw that with Christopher Brantley's story earlier, that how dry it is here. And the Keach-Byram Index actually shows how dry things are, not just in the atmosphere, but at the duff layer, it's called. And that's about 8 inches below the surface, and that's where all the leaves and rotting leaves and dry leaves are. And so the numbers are high for us already, so that could be an indication that we are going to see a very tough fire season, brush fire season, typically in March and April, even up to June. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. I know a lot of the kids had the day off. Well, most of the kids had the day off today. And this was the first time since last year that I can remember Manatee Avenue backed up all the way from Anna Maria Island all the way to 42nd Street on Manatee Avenue. Yes, it was packed full of people, and they picked a great day to get out there to the beach, as you saw that with a time lapse of the Van Wezel webcam showing Sarasota Bay. Beautiful. Anna Maria, this was last night. Chad sending this one in. I wanted to get that on the air. And also this morning, Dale always sending nice photos in. This from Prestancia. And you can see that eagle right there in the middle, just kind of chilling out right there. And had some great pictures last week as well of the sunset. Send them in to pics at mysuncoast.com. Yes, indeed, we have some changes. This is another area of low pressure, which is going to be traversing and should be right around here off the west coast of Florida on Wednesday, and that will bring this kind of rain our way. It doesn't appear that we're going to see anything too rough, but we will see some thunderstorms in the mix. And this moving west to east, it's not going to be a cold front, so we're not going to get cold and dry out and cause that high fire danger to be around when the humidity value drops below around 35%. We start to get that high fire danger. You can see that sea breeze has worked its way all the way in, so temperatures were a little bit cooler this afternoon right near the coast, but boy, temperatures did warm up today, very high. As far as the red tide goes, we have some high categories there too, and it's spreading southward. Had some emails sent in saying it was pretty tough there in Venice and near Nokomis and Osprey, and even at New Pass, the numbers are high there still, into the moderate category, I should say, and high category now just near Venice and down near the airport there. So still, red tide, a big factor here. Currently, we have 73 degrees. The dew point is at 62. You can see the clear skies out there. Some of those high clouds will work their way in throughout the day tomorrow. So maybe not as sunny, but still should be a nice day. 83 the high today. 85 is the record. So not too far away from that. 57 degree was the morning low. We had some rainfall over the weekend. Beneficial showers moved on in, was pretty nice, and temperatures around the state have cooled now to the 70s. They had been into the mid 80s earlier. Still an 80-degree reading there in Mayaca City, 73 in Sarasota. Northport, you're at 76. Bradenton at 74. Well, the wind flow will be anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour, maybe a little higher than that tomorrow afternoon out of the southeast. We will get a little bit of a west coast sea breeze developing in the afternoon, so beaches will warm into the upper 70s, but we could still see some low to mid 80s tomorrow. I mentioned the clouds around. It's going to be nice, though. Lots of sunshine still. Pretty nice out there as far as that goes. Now, here's a look. You can see that high cloudiness kind of moving on in from the west to the east, and here comes the storm system developing and gathering on Wednesday. So a chance for showers in the morning and throughout the afternoon, and even into the evening, we'll see a chance for some rainfall there. And the big story, obviously, has been out west, where a major storm system continues to bring some damaging winds and heavy rainfall into San Francisco, northward in Northern California, where they really don't need the rain at all there. As far as the boaters go for us, tomorrow looks to be pretty good on the waters. Seas will be running right around 1 to 2 feet with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. And tides upcoming 7:02 for a high tide. Sunset a little bit later each night, 6:25. Warm evening tonight and mostly fair, 60 for your low. And then for tomorrow, look for another warm day. High of 80, maybe a few more clouds around. And then the extended forecast does call for a good chance for showers and even a few thunderstorms on Wednesday. Notice temperatures really don't chill out much at all behind this front. And it looks like another great weekend, or at least a great weekend ahead on Saturday and Sunday.